Hi guys, and welcome back. Today I will show you how to use JotUrl to manage affiliate. This is very easy and it will take just 2 minutes. Okay, let's start. To do this, I suggest you to create a new project and call this like affiliate management. Okay, and then click on save. Then you have to The strategy is to create a main tracking link that track conversion on your website, and then create a tracking link for every affiliate you have. Let's see how. Okay, create a new tracking link. Use your destination URL, like your website, and then here you can add the note tags, etc. And then you just have to click save and go to link option. Okay, in the meanwhile, I copied this. Now you have to set up the remarketing pixel. You can do this, and if you don't know how, I suggest you to watch the video tutorial. And now you just have to activate the conversion. I show you the UI in another video. It's called conversion one. Here I combine my conversion code and click on save. Okay, we have just created the main tracking link that monitor all the conversion and the visit to your website. Now let's imagine that you have to create a new tracking link for a new affiliate. Okay, just click on the plus. Here you paste this as a destination URL the main tracking link, that tracks conversions, and then you just have to type !EP00 and the name of your user. Okay, let's say I am myself, Stefano Affiliate. Here you write the alias Stefano Affiliate 1, 2, 3 test. Okay, and then just click on save. What we have done? Writing this one, it means that every time a user click on we track a conversion made with this tracking link, our tracking link will set the form of the destination of the main tracking link as a Stefano affiliate, so you can check how much conversion and visit I'm bringing to the main tracking link. Okay, here I click on save and close, and it's done. You don't have to do nothing more, because the main tracking link has the remarketing pixel, so you can make some remarketing campaigns after the launch, and this tracking link will show how much unique visit, conversion code scans, and conversions you have from this affiliate. This will be the summary of all the contribution of all the affiliate you have. Okay, I think I don't have nothing to add, so for this tutorial is everything. See you in the next one. Bye bye.